If you want to go ahead and create everything from scratch in Google Vids, then that is possible as well. So to do that, you simply need to click on the plus button and it adds in the section where you can add in some elements right here in the timeline. So what you can do now is go around onto different elements, like let's say for example text. Click on add a title right here, let's say for example, and you can change it out according to how you want. So let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say learn online right here, just like this. Or I'm going to say keep on learning right here, just like this. So now I can simply go ahead and resize out this content, resize this out right here. So let's just go around and resize this out and resize out the font size and keep this around over here on the top, just like this. Let's just go around and center align it out as well. Apart from that, I'm going to add in a subtitle right here and say, I'm going to say keep on watching right here, just like this. And I'm going to center align this out as well. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and add in everything from scratch as needed. So around over here, you can also go around onto shapes. Let's say, for example, you can add in shapes as you like right here, just like this, and then change it out according to how you want. You can also go around, change around the order, send to back. And these are something we're going to see as we move along the course as well, in detail as well. So let's just go around onto stock, and then over here, I'm going to say study, let's say for example, right here, and then I can simply make this particular content. So there's some stock images, there's some study right here, as you can see. So there's this video that I can go ahead and let's say for example fill up the screen with right here, and then I'm simply going to go ahead and change the order and send it to back. And then this is what you have. You can change around the text color as you need right here, and then you can see that this is what you have right here. And this is how you can start editing video. So you can see that this is quite long. This video is quite long right here, just like this. So you can actually go ahead right here and crop out the video length by pulling the edges out right here, just like this. So as I go ahead and pull out the edges, you can see that I can adjust the length from the beginning and from the end as well. You can go around onto the beginning, press the play button, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can simply go ahead and then add contents from blank canvas manually one by one as well to edit out videos in Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.